Hello, this is David Hilgendorf, Library Media Specialist at Park Center Senior High, and I'm here because as of June 1st, 2021, any photos or videos that are in your Google Drive folder will count toward your total allotment of space. This is your personal Google Drive folder, and you only have a limited amount of space, and photos and videos do take up a lot of space. So these are instructions for moving those items from your Google Drive into Google Photos, because that does not count toward your allotment of limited space. And then you can remove the files that are in Google Drive and have that space opened up for other files that you might want in the future. So to begin, you can go to your Google Drive, just drive.google.com. And you should have a list of various documents and stuff you have here. And to get to Google Photos, you can click on that top right corner where there's the 9 dots and go down to Photos. You can also just go to photos.google.com to get to the same place, as long as you're logged in using your personal profile. That should work. And then you go to the Upload button up here in the top right hand corner, and it's going to ask you what you want to upload. And you want to upload from Google Drive. And well, what do you want to get from Google Drive? You want to search your Google Drive, and you're going to do it by file type, but rather than clicking on file type here, you can just type image, type :image, and type :video. And this should find all of your images and videos that are in your drive currently. And then you should be able to do a Control-A to select all of them, and then hit that Upload button. And that should go ahead and upload all of the photos and videos that showed in that batch. And then, looks like I have some that I can delete here. And then, actually you might want to delete them first. Go through your files and delete the ones you don't want before you move them. And then you can go back to your Google Drive, and then you should be able to do the same search that you did before, images and video. Type :image and type :video. And find all the ones that you have, select all and delete those, and then you should have those files removed from your drive and placed into your Google Photos. That's it.